To fix an iPhone front camera that is not working, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check for any blockages on the camera lens, such as dirt or debris, and clean it gently with a soft cloth. Next, ensure that the camera app is updated to the latest version and that you have granted the necessary permissions for the app to access the camera. You can do this by going to the Settings app, selecting the Camera app, and making sure that the camera is enabled. If the issue is still not resolved, try resetting the camera settings by going to the Settings app, selecting General, and then transferring or resetting iPhone. Then reset, and finally reset all settings. In some cases, the front camera may not be working due to a software issue, so it is recommended to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. You can do this by going to the Settings app, selecting General, and then Software Update. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem, and you should contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for further assistance. Additionally, if you have a case or screen protector on your iPhone, try removing it to see if it is interfering with the camera. It is also a good idea to check for any physical damage to the camera lens, such as cracks or scratches, and to back up your data before attempting any repairs. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your iPhone front camera and get it working again. Remember to always handle your iPhone with care to prevent any future issues with the camera or other components.